am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really just throw you up.
Checking a mic 1 2 1 2 Dadlala.
ezobhekela kancane umuntu makambone umuntu osesikilile sikulenzele kancane.
Yes, ma'am.
This is so nice. I think I like the long sleeve.
Long sleeve sana. Yeah, it's
Hike, kama lele hiking Cecilia Forest ne via Kingston.
Ega.
Apiwe.
Babala.
Lwando.
Sane. Pilela. Sitini. Sia. Yangela. Nora. Sintandile.
Ati.
Anati. Zola.
It's your lady Vanessa, and I make everything look dainty, darlings. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, darlings. If you're new here, honey, you are welcome. But if you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. So today I'm on a hiking in Constantia Neck in Cecilia Forest with my buddies. I'm already tired. Not really tired, but like my breath is like fast. That's why I'm gonna sound a little bit funny. But yeah. This is so refreshing, you guys. I am so refreshed. I love nature, Sanamna. Even the sound of this water is giving me chills. Because what do you mean, God, you did that? Oh yeah, enjoy, yes. Nize nabantwana benu, guys, come with your children, because some of us here came with our children, not me though. But yeah, It's very lovely. I do advise you guys to join our hike next time. We have a hike. We do have an Instagram page, because it's already us, you know, it's our first time. So there is an Instagram page. Maybe I'm gonna insert it here, and then you can follow it for updates. So here's my OOTD, you guys. I'm wearing this two-piece, this brown one from Total Sports. I don't know this brand, but it's this brand. Yeah, and then this jacket is from, I don't remember, it's my sister's. No, I was not supposed to have this bag, but I don't have the backpack, so yeah. And then these shoes is from Refinery. Yeah, and this hair is from Micha. Can you glaze my donuts?
Actually, you can't say it without a compass.
Ilanga lepha. Uyabizwa.
Uyadika nawe. Sana.
Molweni lovers, silapha, within indaba for Kahlaba.
Into endihlekisayo uba kudala ndibona izinja apha, kodwa kuthiwe dogs are not allowed in Kirstenbosch beyond this point, or maybe they don't come with them in these points. So bazayibhatala 500. Washa.
Welcome Silinda kulaa ndawo sobe siqale kuyo inkosi zophina sehle sibuye phaya. But bendi-encourage umuntu azi-challenge asenyuke siye phako siya ku-waterfall. So ndicela
Abolahleko san. Guys, we are approaching the waterfall Ngoku. I'm gonna take a video. So we're just taking it like a little break for 5 minutes. Uthini lo number? Akasalandiki. So we took a little bit of a break. So now we're gonna go. I'm gonna show you guys the waterfall. Sana, I can't wait. One thing about me, you know me about e-hikes with waterfall. The last one was in the Northern Cape, right? Yeah, the last one was in the Northern Cape, the one that I vlogged actually. So yeah.
What I love about the hiking, the mountains, and also socialize
Exactly. Yeah. Within nature and all of that.
Meditation.
Yeah, you heard her, guys. Uthmana, she loves, one thing she loves is meditation and also connecting with the nature. This is God creation, child.
Sebenzi yakho phela Nkosi. Let's push, guys. Happy Sabbath day. Love you, good.
guys, you can strike a pose. Man, I know they want to die. iyaphinde split phambili so asiphinde sikhangela abantu so bawuya komliwa andiva kakhe yena ungasilinda apha uphendushele apha because indlela ethu izobuya apha but
ubhifo kuthiwa
Ubhifo ke lo. All right.
Ubhifo sisezonyuka. Stay tuned for us.
Pronto.
ningabobara mna zophinde nibe sefranti ngoku mas
Final destination.
thini lingadinwanga nje
welcome to Bowen Simba
Final destination. Boom, boom, boom.
Okay, it's fine, guys. Ngingayiwile phansi kuwa.
Usabloga.
Azayeka.
hlamba maswa mpafta hayi ke zilaki ukubhubha zilaki kulaa kona
Apho bendikulinde ngonke. Alathi kawenze bra. Aba alathi aqabanisa nami. Zinqulu bawo. Ngenyawo ngabanga.
alupota apha
Anathi ngicela ulifake.
A few moments later.
ingathi ni fresh nje nana sana nina ninita enye ilandi i-trail. Let's go for a new trail. No ways. Why are you guys fresh? Why are you so fresh? And just like that, we are done. We are back and we are not tired. If it was not for time, we were gonna go back and find another trail. But
Table Mountain.
Which other trail didn't we go? Because this one, that one, Lea Beniye Kuyonina. Lebe Namengai. Le yabo phaphezulu ikhona mose yabona le ayiyo ngikhona lipha abantu bebehamba pha sidinga yona yabona pha singabe singathethisana
hayi ngavani
yey And just like that, off we go. Caesar Rambangogo. I'm heading to the parking lot. Actually, I'm in the parking lot. Going to the car we're going to travel with. And yeah, guys, I'm going to see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I love you all so, so much. Bye.